We've all been there, staring at the numbers, wondering how we're going to make it through another month. The weight of not enough can feel like an anchor holding you back from the life you were meant to lead. Meet Sam. 3 years ago, he was working 2 jobs, barely keeping his head above water, but he had a vision. He realized that to change his life, he had to change his blueprint. It started with a single, difficult choice. He stopped trading time for money and started trading value for freedom. He disciplined his spending and fueled his learning. It wasn't easy. There were nights of doubt. There were moments when the old life tried to pull him back. But consistency is the mother of mastery. Every small win built the foundation for the ultimate breakthrough. Slowly, the tide began to turn. The debt vanished, replaced by assets that worked while he slept. Today, Sam doesn't work because he has to. He works because he chooses to. That is the definition of freedom. So, what is the blueprint to wealth? It's not a secret, it's a strategy. And it starts with your mindset. First, you must believe that wealth is possible for you. You have to stop seeing yourself as a victim of your circumstances. Second, invest in your mind. Your earning potential is directly tied to your learning potential. Be a student of the game. Third, take massive, calculated action. Planning without execution is just a daydream. You have to put skin in the game. Fourth, have the patience to let your efforts compound. Wealth isn't built in a day, it's built in the habits you keep every day. The road from broke to freedom is paved with discipline. It's time to stop making excuses and start making moves. Imagine a life where your time is yours, where your decisions aren't dictated by your bank balance. That life is waiting for you. Your blueprint is ready. Your future is calling. Will you answer? From broke to freedom, it starts today.